The AT&T Network Busy Error Fix 2026 addresses network busy errors that cause busy signals, dropped calls, or congestion messages during peak usage. These issues often occur on older voice networks and during high-traffic events like holidays or major broadcasts. Imagine trying to make an important call only to hear that frustrating busy tone because the network is overloaded. To illustrate, this server room shows a common busy error display, highlighting how network congestion can overwhelm systems. Users experience frustration, like this person unable to connect due to dropped calls and notifications. The AT&T initiative is designed to fix these problems, ensuring smoother connections. This sphere represents a network node, showing how data flows through the system. Think of it as improving the flow of data, like this simple network where information travels efficiently between nodes, reducing congestion. AT&T invested $12 billion in Project Nexus, integrating AI-driven traffic routing and expanding 5G, 6G spectrum. By early 2026, these fixes were deployed nationwide, focusing on busy areas. The AT&T mobile app now provides real-time congestion alerts. This has led to a significant reduction in call drops and improved network reliability. However, some older infrastructure areas still experience issues. The AT&T Network Busy Error Fix 2026 works through several key technological improvements. First, AI and machine learning algorithms predict traffic spikes by analyzing historical data and real-time usage patterns. This predictive capability allows the network to dynamically allocate resources before congestion occurs, preventing busy errors. The fix also involves transitioning from older TDM technology to modern IP-based VoLTE and VoNR for 5G networks. This allows handling many more simultaneous calls efficiently. VoNR, or Voice over New Radio, specifically enables high-quality voice calls over 5G infrastructure, reducing latency and improving reliability. Spectrum expansion plays a crucial role by utilizing mid-band and high-band frequencies to offload traffic from congested areas. Finally, user-side solutions include app-based features like call queuing, which holds calls during busy periods, and Wi-Fi calling fallbacks that route calls through home internet connections. AI plays a crucial role in predicting traffic spikes and optimizing network resource allocation. Before AI, networks face congestion during spikes shown by overloaded connections. AI analyzes data to predict these spikes. AT&T's smart routing technology has reduced busy errors by 50% in pilot programs. This AI-driven approach dynamically reroutes calls to underutilized towers, ensuring a smoother user experience even during peak times, like major sporting events. The result is significant error reduction through intelligent network management. A prime example of AT&T's Network Busy Error Fix 2026 in action occurred during Super Bowl 2026. The massive influx of calls during the game initially overwhelmed networks in 15 major cities, triggering busy errors. However, AT&T's advanced AI system automatically rerouted 40% of calls to underutilized cell towers. This rerouting prevented prolonged outages, limiting busy errors to under 5 minutes per user on average. Post-event analysis revealed a remarkable 70% improvement compared to 2025, with only 0.2% of calls failing completely. Another critical demonstration came during Hurricane Zeta recovery in September 2025. In the affected Gulf Coast states, infrastructure damage caused network busy errors to skyrocket. AT&T responded proactively by pre-deploying mobile satellite units across the region. These portable flyaway antennas provided alternative communication pathways, reducing busy signals by 80% and enabling emergency communications for 500,000 users who otherwise would have been disconnected during the recovery efforts. These real-world examples from Super Bowl 2026 and Hurricane Zeta recovery demonstrate how AT&T's Network Busy Error Fix 2026 effectively transforms user experiences during high-stress, high-demand situations, ensuring reliable communication when it matters most. Industry experts have strong opinions on AT&T's Network Busy Error Fix 2026. Gartner analysts praise AT&T's innovative approach as a model for other carriers, effectively blending artificial intelligence with infrastructure upgrades to create more autonomous and resilient networks. The FCC commends AT&T's transparency in reporting congestion metrics and implementation progress, noting that this comprehensive fix could potentially save billions of dollars in national outage costs across the telecommunications industry. However, some critics, including industry analysts from Bernstein Research, warn against over-reliance on AI systems, citing potential vulnerabilities where glitches could resurface under extreme network loads or during unexpected events. AT&T's internal data reveals significant quantifiable improvements in network performance. Let's examine the key metrics that demonstrate the effectiveness of their fixes. AT&T's internal data shows a 55% year-over-year decrease in busy errors, dropping from the 2025 baseline to significantly lower rates in 2026. This represents a major improvement in network reliability. User surveys conducted in 2026 show AT&T's network reliability scoring 85 out of 100, surpassing competitors who scored around 80. This improvement reflects the real-world impact of their network fixes. These improvements have saved AT&T an estimated $800 million in lost revenue that would have resulted from previous network outages. This demonstrates the significant financial benefits of their infrastructure investments. Looking ahead, experts predict a busy error-free era by 2030, with AT&T aiming for 95% uptime. This ambitious goal reflects significant advancements in network technology. However, challenges persist. Rising data demands could strain networks, while potential cyber threats pose risks to connectivity. AT&T is addressing these by exploring hybrid satellite terrestrial networks to reach remote areas and investing in quantum-resistant encryption against cyber risks. The future looks promising, but continuous adaptation is key to maintaining reliable networks.